Hello, welcome back to my video. So if you are wondering what I'm putting here, it's actually what I have done for the past tutorial, which is for video part 1 and part 2. So please check it out first before you watch this part 3, or else you won't understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to uh, like transform other things like text. Okay, for text it's very similar to what you can do with photos. Okay, so for example, this text I want it to be scaled. Okay, you just click the scale. Okay, so I'm going to choose a new position. Then you can, this is the size is 142%, so I maybe put it 280%, so it become bigger. Okay, so all, or you can adjust it according to your liking. Okay, so you can adjust it. Okay, then it will grow, it will grow. Okay, like that. Okay, we can also to do it to opacity. You can also adjust the opacity or other things. Okay, so there should be no problem. Alright, I'm going to show you how to apply effects. Okay, so I am not going to show you the details of what effects that, what each and every one of the effects here. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you how to apply certain effects. So just put effect here. Be remember that if you are applying effects for particular layer, they are only applied for that particular layer. Okay, what I mean is, if you want to apply an effect, you can apply to the layer or to the all layers here. Okay, so I want to, for example, I want to apply effect to these photos. So I want it to have simulation, like uh, foam, for example, foam. Damn. Okay, you can delete from here. Okay. Okay. For example, I want it to have uh, twister gradient white. Okay. So you can adjust the okay, the setting here. Okay. No need to to expand this tool. It will make it more difficult for you. Okay. So you can just adjust it from here. Okay, so gradient wipe. Okay, I want it to wipe after 2 seconds. I want it to be complete wipe. Okay, so just put it here 0 seconds, start the clock, and in 2 seconds you put 100%. So you can see the keyframe here. Okay, you can see the keyframe here. Okay, very small keyframe here. So as you can see, the gradient will wipe slowly, like that. Okay, so this is the effect for gradient wipe or gradient softness. You can change other things as well. Okay, like transition softness. Yeah. You can also apply other effects. You just click the layer you want to put effect and pick whatever effect you want. Like maybe blur. Okay. So I don't want to wipe, so I delete it. For example, I want it to be blurred. So I just apply effect blur. For example, I put Gaussian blur, and I can blur it slowly, maybe like 100%. So we slowly blur. Okay, it will slowly blur like that. Okay. You can also apply it back to normal, okay, in other keyframe. So you just click maybe 0 or whatever values you want there. You can also apply it to the still photos. You don't want to animate, you can apply the effects to still photos. Okay, you don't want to animate. Okay, for example, I delete this one. Okay, so we back to the project. Okay, so I want to blur it straight away. I want to adjust the blurriness. Okay, maybe like Gaussian motion blur. Okay, so I want it to straight away put the blur value here. So no matter how long it will blur. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily apply to animate things. Okay, so maybe you want it to be like this. Okay, you can also apply other effects. For example, okay, uh, perspective. Okay, you want to drop radial shadow color, maybe red. Okay, and you want it to be and the softness and yeah, various other things you can apply. Okay. I am not very familiar with some effects though. Okay, so this is how we apply the effects. Same for the text and everything. Okay. Okay, for example, you want to apply effects to both layers without you having to click each individual layers. Okay. So what are you going to do is insert a new layer. Okay. So you click this timeline, insert new adjustment layer. Okay. So from this adjustment layer, you can transform, you can put effects. So for example, I want some effects like, I like this effect a lot, rain. Okay. So I want more rain and I want more drop size. Okay. So you have rain here. Okay. So it applies for the whole video. Okay. So notice that it renders. Okay. It depends on how fast your computer is. So the green bar indicates that it has already been rendered. Okay, like that. So after that, for example, you have several layers here, and you want only the flower to be rained. Okay, so you can adjust the position and the text. That's only for it. Okay. So this layer is very important. The order of this layer is important because it indicates which come first, which come later. Okay. So I think basically that is how you're going to apply the effects and for particular layers or for the whole layers. Okay. I think you should already know how to make simple videos now. Yeah. So thank you for watching.